welcome to Dedicated Code. This video is all about how to run a cron job in Ubuntu or any operating systems or any Linux operating systems like Alma Linux, Cloud Linux, Rocky Linux, Fedora, Debian. For all the operating systems, the process is same. So you can able to say that this video is all about cron job, in-depth understanding for the Linux based all operating systems. So let's start. Before moving further, we must need to know what is the cron job. Cron job helps to schedule the task and simplify the automation process. Let's begin. Very first, we need to understand where the actual cron jobs files are present in the operating system. Before that, we must have to know that whether our services of cron jobs are running or not. To check this, we can able to use this command and to see the status of cron job. If it is active, then it's okay. If it is not, then you can able to use the command service space cron space start. So now we can able to see that our cron is running. We will first understand the structure where the cron jobs are present. So for that, we have to enter cd/etc, hit enter, and here we can able to enter cd.cron and double tap. Here you can able to see that there are 5 different directories are present. You can say each directory has its own property. Let's say cron.daily. When you enter any file into this directory, it will execute daily basis, second hourly, third monthly, and fourth one weekly. Whereas when we talk about cron.d, it can act like daily, hourly, monthly, weekly. So it is totally depend on you how you execute the command under cron.d. So now you understood the structure of cron. Okay, we will see a one sample. Let me go into the cron.d. After that, I will click on ls. In this case, I just open one file called as a sysstat, and here you can able to see that we have 2 cron jobs are present in this particular file. So these cron jobs run on a specific time and with the help of specific permissions, and also execute a particular file or executable code. So now we will move towards the next step. You can say a second part of this video. So basically on the screen you can able to see there are almost 6 stars, and after that you can able to see the username and the command. Let me explain you. Okay, the very first star represents seconds, the second one is a minute, third one is hours, fourth one is a days, fifth one is a month, and sixth one is a weekday. That means in a week we have 7 days, so we can able to enter here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the month we can able to enter 1 to 12. In the day we can able to enter 1 to 31. In the hours we can able to enter 0 to 23. In the minutes we can able to enter 0 to 59. In the seconds we can able to enter 0 to 59. Right? Now we understand the structure of cron. Okay. Before moving further, let's do a simple commands that we require to understand cron jobs available in the system. Okay. For that we use crontab. When we enter crontab -e, it will list all the existing cron jobs available in all the particular directories, that is daily, weekly, monthly, weekdays, and all. Okay, hourly as well. After that, if you want the same command to be tried for a specific user, so that time you can able to use the another command called as crontab space -e space. You have to enter here username. So in this case we are running from the root. Okay, so I'm entering the username as a root and space -e. So it will list all the cron jobs which are allowed for the root or is assigned by the root, and here you can able to see all the cron job list. Now we knows how to get the list of cron jobs. It is now time to move towards our third part, and this is what the main purpose of this video is. In this we are going to show you at least 7 to 10 examples by which you can able to understand betterly how to run a cron jobs. Okay, let's start. Let me create one file called as demo. Okay, so this is a very simple file because we already in the cron.d directory, and in that we have to create one file called as a vi.demo, and you can able to give the various names. Suppose we are running a PHP based application, so in this case your PHP based application is e-commerce, so that time I will enter here name like e-commerce mybusiness.com, something you can able to enter, right? So we are here using a demo. Okay, so now we are in the demo file, and after that we are starting our examples. Very first we will understand the commands. Okay, in the first star it is giving a 0, second is giving 2, and last 3 are star, so that means all. It concludes that this job runs 2 AM exactly at a night, and we are running a command or a file called as a backup.sh. Okay, now we will move towards the second example. Let's say we wanted to run some other script 2 times a day. So let's say I wanted to run morning 5 AM and afternoon 5 AM daily basis. I wanted to run the command. So in this case the process is very similar. So instead of a 2, I am entering here 5,17. 5,17 means in particular day we can able to run this command at exactly 5 o'clock, and 17 o'clock means exactly 5 PM. And in this case we are running /script/script.sh file. Now we will move towards the next example. In this example we wanted to run the same script every minute. So this is the simplest example, because in this case we just enter all the star marks and then enter our command. So this way this command will run every single minute. Now we wanted to do advanced level. What is that? I wanted to run the script on 5 PM very first. Second, I wanted to run the script on every Sunday. So in this case you can able to again see that the hour column we have set 17 because we want 5 PM, and in the day weekdays column we have entered the sun, SUN means Sunday. Okay, and then our command. So now you understood almost 4 different methods. So let's try to get harder our examples. Okay, so in this case we in the third example we shown every minute. Now I wanted to run every 10 minutes. To do this it is extremely simple. Just we need to divide the star by 10. That means every 10 minutes the cron will execute. So in this case, if you do not wanted to execute every 10 minutes, you wanted to execute every 5 minutes, you can able to do that. So now we understand this command will run every 5 minutes. But here I wanted to run this command in one particular hour 2 times. Means first in the particular hour I wanted to run for the 10th second and 15 seconds and 20 seconds. So in this case the process is very simple. 10th, 15, 20 means in a particular hour our cron job will run 3 times. In above case it will run every 5 seconds. In this particular example it will run 3 times in a particular hour, and that to be specifically on 10th minute, 15th minute and 20th minute of that particular hour. Okay, let's go to the next example. In this case we will take an example for the month. Here we wanted to run for the January, May and August. So this script will run only in January, May and August. Okay, now we will move towards the next example. In this case I just wanted to execute some advanced level of scripting. So you can able to see that we are just wanted to little bit higher level of complexity we will do in this. In this case we will take an example. Okay, here it is an example. Let's try to understand. Very first, this cron run every Sunday and Monday. That one is clear. Now the second one, and every Sunday and Monday it will run at exactly 4 AM and 5 PM. Okay, so this is how the cron execution works. Now we knows almost all the commands which needed for the execution. Let's try to go into the pipeline method, or you wanted to run a multiple script with the same execution. So let's do one more example. In this example, I want to try multiple script run every minute. So in this case, I will enter this command. So here I just need to semicolon and enter the another command or the file name. So every minute the cron automatically run these two files. Okay, now we are moving towards the next part. This is extremely simplest possible. Okay, so in this case, I just wanted to run every month. I can able to enter this. I wanted to just enter weekly. Just replace this monthly with the weekly. Similar case with a daily. Similar case with hourly. Okay, but in some cases, user might need to run a command when system get rebooted. So we can able to enter this reboot /script/script.sh. So in this case, whenever system get rebooted, this command will execute. Let me save the file. We have successfully saved the file. So these are all the commands we can able to use daily basis and run your cron job very effectively. If you wanted to know more about cron job and all, you can able to go on the Google. There are a lot of documentations available, but this documentation is almost covered 80% of your job. So now if you wanted to learn anything about any operating system and any other server setup, we are available, and our video guides are already live on our YouTube channel. So hopefully you will like, share and subscribe this video. Have a nice day.